Hey y'all, it's Tom at Buxton Auto here. I don't know if you're new to my YouTube channel, stumbled on me by accident, found something else that you needed and got that. Now you're curious what the rest of my videos are. Maybe you've come to our dealership before. Maybe you've seen my ads on Facebook or Craigslist that I buy cars. Whatever brought you here, here you are. The purpose of this video today is to kind of give you an idea of how we do our I buy cars, cash for cars, whatever program. I want to start with most of what I buy on either Marketplace or Craigslist or from people that know us, it all needs either a lot of work or it has a lost title. Those are the two big ones. I'd probably buy 2/3 of my inventory from individuals versus going to the dealer auction. So let me tell you how it sort of will work. For the purpose of arguments, let's say you have a 2006 Chevy Cobalt, and they're showing on Craigslist for $2,500. So what I am going to pay you for this Chevy Cobalt is dealer wholesale. It doesn't make sense for me as a business person to pay more for you, for your car, than I could buy the same car for at auction. Your car may be great, and it probably is great, or it needs a lot. But you can't tell me what they're going for on Craigslist if you're coming to me, because that's not what I do. I buy them on a wholesale level. Also, most of the people need cars, they need work. So if your transmission is out, you're not going to get a retail price. You're going to get a price based on your car needing repairs. If you don't have a title, that significantly lowers the cost of your car, because getting a title costs a lot of time and money. And for me, buying it and then waiting 30 or 60 days to get a title is not good use of my money. So that price has to be a little bit lower. Now, I buy a lot of cars. I buy them far away if we can tow dolly them. I buy them close by if we can need to tow dolly or get a tow truck. I buy cars that need an engine, or cars that have a bad transmission, or cars that you bought the car off Craigslist, somebody was going to give you your title next week and now they've ghosted you. I buy those. So if you like to sell a car, you understand the situation. It's not going to be retail. It's going to be at or around dealer wholesale, and there's going to be an adjustment, say if you have no title or the motor's blown up. I'd love to talk to you. I come out, I'm a straight shooter. This is what I can pay. It's cash money. It's cash money today. Your car's not going to the scrapyard. We're going to fix it and put it back on the road. That's generally what we buy. If you're interested in that, let us know. You can call the dealership at 972-635-2723. You can text my phone, which might work best, at 972-483-4230. There's also a link on our website to be able to contact us if you'd like to buy a car. And our website is Buxton, that's Buxton, auto.com, all one word. I'll put the link down below. We have obviously our dealer inventory. We have the link to sell us your car. You can make payments online, all that fun stuff. If you'd like to sell a car, you need a car out of your way, you have a car you can't get rid of because it's got paperwork issues, I might be your guy. Thanks for watching this video. If it intrigued you, give me a like and a subscribe. We put out different content, not just about the cars we have for sale, but about title issues, buying and selling, car dealership business type stuff. Let us know. Appreciate you. Have a great day.